So I have this bag that for my carry-on. Of course. Maarte ako. My toiletries. I have the scrub, mouthwash, feminine wash, of course, sanitizer, makeup remover. Ta-da! Siyempre maarte ako eh. Ganun talaga. Pag maarte, you have everything. There. Just leave it there. I have 1, 2, 3. 3 sunglasses. I have 1. Ganun talaga. Ganun talaga pag maarte. You have so much. Feminine wipes. AirPods. My jewelry box. Nandito yung mga kaartehan, mga hikayan. Hindi pwedeng mawala. Makeup. I have my Kila is Life contour, face powder. I have my mascara, eyeliner, lip balm, highlighter, and of course, eyeshadow palette. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ano ba yan? Disaster! Isa lang ba yung nalaglag na?
Ay siya. Ano ba yun?
Yet.
Lasting edition.
Lasing edition.
Ano daw?
I have my charger. Cookie from the first flight.
Memories.
Another pouch. Another makeup. There's eyelash curler. My brushes. Of course, my pill. Bandage. Of course, CC cream. Mascara. What else? Meron ditong white flower. Hair tie.
Wait, so hindi na pa ito valid?
Advil.
Valid?
Mostly that's every eyelash curler, yeah. Got it right. And I have my notebook, my itinerary, my purse, and my wallet and chain. That's about it. Oh no,
Ay siya.
of course, I have my passport, my mask. I got everything in here. I have a small pouch in here. Pearl necklace. My Hermes. Ta-da! And
Just
some. And hair ties again. And that's about it. That's about it, guys.